Hello and welcome to the video update of the NOVIMAR project. NOVIMAR is funded by Horizon 2020 Research and Innovation Programme of the European Commission. An international consortium is currently developing a new transport system called the vessel train. This concept is about a so-called lead vessel, which will be followed more or less automatically by following vessels. Today we will be meeting Edwin van Hassel, senior researcher at the Faculty of Transport and Regional Economics at this Antwerp University. As an expert in maritime cost chain modeling in inland navigation, he is involved in identifying the business opportunities of the vessel train.
NOVIMAR is a project in which we develop a transport system. We look at different transport chains or different new transport concepts. So you will have one vessel, which is the lead vessel, which has a full crew that will sail in front of the train. And then we have vessels following that lead vessels. And in these following vessels, we have a reduction in crew level. The concept itself could be an answer to the reduction in crew levels due to the fact that there is less crew available. So you can have the same productivity, the same amount of cargo being transported on waterborne infrastructure, potentially even more, with the same amount of crew levels. We developed a model in which we calculate total logistics cost for a complete transport chain. So for the inputs, we depend on the project partners that are involved. For instance, we have NOVIMAR Logistics, who are operating inland barges. Other operators, a part of our project, like TUAX, for instance, which can also provide us information. Based on all this information, we're going to build vessel trains, and we're going to see and we're going to research which types of vessel trains can be implemented where on the network. We can compare the situation without a vessel train with the situation with a vessel train, and there we can analyze for a given case if there is a benefit. One of the things that we really need to look at is business models. What type of business model is suitable for the vessel train? Because there are several options possible. Should the operator of the vessel train be someone who is already present at the inland navigation sector, or could it be someone completely new? Ultimately, and hopefully, there will be a lot of actors or a lot of players in this field that will benefit. First of all, there will be the ship owners. They could benefit from a reduction in cost. There will be a benefit for the cargo owners, because the cargo owners will potentially have a better transport product in terms of reliability and flexibility in these things. And on top of that, there's also society. And society can gain because if we build a better product, and a better product being better transport via the waterborne transport system, means that we can attract additional cargo flows that will be shifted from road to the waterborne transport network, which means a reduction in external costs. And these external costs are a reduction in congestion, a reduction in accidents, a reduction in emissions, in CO2 and all these other elements. We're going to assess the full, what we call the Antwerp case. So that's due within 2 years, and then within 3 years, we are also going to develop a second big case study to see if the same concept, if it's feasible over here in Western Europe, can also be implemented in another part of Europe. I think if everything goes well and we develop the full project, then maybe 2022, 2023 could be the first, starting point where we could potentially see vessel trains.